Yes. Day 16. You know the drill. Go mark our charts.
No, 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 no. Not what we do here. Stuff like that is exactly how I keep losing my profits. Trend is definitely your friend. I'm telling you, bro. How many of you guys signed up for the free live training on Saturday? Better see everybody. You guys know anytime I put something together for you guys, it's heat. Anytime I put something together for y'all, you already know it's going to be heat. If you guys didn't sign up yet, I will share the link now. It's Saturday at 8 p.m. Eastern Time. Even if you can't attend live, which I highly recommend you do, I got gifts for each and every one of you guys that come. Get the recording by signing up here. I recommend you all come live. I'm going to have gifts for each and every one of you guys that tap in live. I'll tell you more about it when we start the webinar. Shoulder surgery. Good luck on that. Second cataract surgery. I'm not sure I'd ever be able to do anything with my eyes. I mean, I can't get my left eye sucks. I can't get surgery or anything on it, but I had a lazy eye. Just don't work. What's up, bro? What you got there? Your go bag? Leaving the country? How was your night? Hmm? Don't. Good morning, everybody. I eat sheep. We try to change sheep into wolves. If you were a sheep, I want you to become a wolf. All right, guys, we got 1 more minute to open. One more minute, everybody. Less than a minute. Damn, the homie Gene been on time lately. Proud dad moment.
Let's do this.
Gene Senior's proud of you.
Good luck, everyone.
Let's get it. Good morning, everybody. As a reminder, today is another beautiful day to choose DOD, to stick to your plan, to make progress in your trading, and to not break your trading rules. Every single day that you choose discipline over cheap, garbage, self-destructive, self-sabotaging, useless, worthless, terrifying dopamine, you're making progress. I don't even want you to focus on winning more. I want you to focus on losing less and managing any loser that you take. Every day you wake up with a choice to make progress in your trading, and that's what we're going to do today. So let's get it. This first 1 minute candle's been something. It's been something. Three for three on the week. Wolves running packs. Gonna be a T-Rex. Just made 522. Thanks, Jay Dunn. Oh. Huh? What? Worm? Chris, I like that. Where did I get my shirt from? Got Team Bull shirt on, baby. I wear Team Bull shirt every day. I don't even think about what I wear every day. I literally just put on a pair of underwear, pair of shorts, and my Team Bull shirt.
Order submitted.
You got anything in your what you're watching today, Grizzly Glock? GD's having the same problem. It says server error for his trade evade. Yeah, literally just won't let me in.
You're in a trade.
What?
You're in a trade.
No, my trade evade won't let me log in. It won't even let me get in the website. It just says this. I can't even go to the website. I mean, it's fine. I have my live account up with my Edge Pro, but yeah, something's wrong with it. GDs, I guess, having the same problem.
Well, mine's working right now. Are you talking about your live account or your funded?
Dude, I literally can't even go to the website.
TradeAwake's running. Hopefully nothing crashes mid-trade.
It's mogging me.
What's the mogging?
It's not about, okay, never mind. I'm done talking about it. Nobody's listening. That's what it was saying. It's not about the software working. Let's see. Let's try to restart this. Hey, let's go. Now it's loading.
Nice.
It was saying server error. The server encountered a temporary error and could not complete your request. Please try again in 30 seconds. Let's go.
I don't see anything off the open here, Jaden. I'm just going to be patient until the first 15 minutes are in.
We always got to be much more patient at all-time highs trading.
And OPEX is tomorrow.
Oh, yep.
Tomorrow will be a very light-sized day for me. It's been a solid week, though. No complaints.
Yep, we're good. We're back to life. I got my glasses on today. They call me the Clark Kent trader. You know, I've actually never traded on NinjaTrader. I've never actually used NinjaTrader itself. I've only used TradeAbate. I technically should be wearing glasses every day. It's also good for the blue light protection in them. Good for your eyes. I need to wear them every day. I'm blind on my left eye.
Order filled.
I was like, I'm gonna wear them today.
Order filled.
I look like you just have to get a tan. I need to sit in the sun for like 200 hours straight.
Order submitted.
I know. Oh, we hit all-time highs. Why was Brandon arguing? And he's like, oh no, we're going back down. It literally is though. Or it was, and we're not at all-time highs the second, but let's see if we can dissect some
Order
value
submitted.
from
Order canceled.
maybe like a 300 or like a 255, 250 to 300 area bounce, maybe we could look for. See what the 4-hour looks like too. Yeah, 260 area to 300 doesn't look bad. I think price action might be a little trickier today. Whenever we get to the higher time, or all-time highs, I typically start really focusing on the lower time frames because you don't have a lot of data to work with.
Stop filled.
On the NASDAQ, literally all-time highs is up here. Look at that. Look at that weekly chart. That's honestly insane. All of this for boom, 3 moves up. We finally broke that range and we just didn't look back. We are sweeping pre-market low right now, so that's something to watch for sure. Whenever we get to these all-time highs as well and these trickier spots to trade, I pay very close attention to my Q levels every morning.
What was that? A
Yeah.
random news candle, Team Bull?
Look at news.
I can pull up my Discord.
One more news, really, for the rest of the week.
uh, you see anything, Jadon?
Nope. Not even really thinking about it until the 15-minute range is in.
This,
We got too much motion as of lately to screw that up for a silly trade.
don't let me pull up Discord for some reason.
Our motion is honestly getting out of control. Do you live with motion, Grizzly?
Do I live with what? What is it?
Do you have motion, bro?
Motion. I don't know. I can lift some heavy weights. Does that count?
You got motion, bro. Yeah, you're the motion man. Motion's a good thing, bro. He said, motion. What's that? Bro's got motion.
Can someone just explain this to me? Like I'm just from the country and have no idea what he's talking about?
Said, will someone explain it to me?
There we go. Discord's finally working.
Have you ever heard of the term swag before?
All right. Gotcha.
Similar to swag, but you got motion, like we're coming on every day, crushing these trades. You got motion.
Making money and doing well is motion. I guess I've done all right then.
You can tell your kids. The people on the internet say I have motion. I'm a cool dad.
That would lead to them asking me to buy something. Oh, you
You're
got money, huh?
Motion and money. Do you ever trade before the 15-minute orb is established? Very rarely.
Order filled.
It like once in a while, but it doesn't happen a lot.
The 15-minute range is in.
Yep. 15-minute range is in. Let's stay patient, trade smart, and trade safe, and find ourselves a nice winner.
Order submitted.
This is your daily reminder, too, that we are day traders, not trade everyday traders, and not take every trade traders. This is not Pokemon. You do not have to catch them all. So trade smart, trade safe, and wait for an A+ setup. We've had an enormous, I said the same thing yesterday. I'll say it again today. We've had an enormous, an absolutely enormous last few days of price action. Look at price these last 3 days. It is a very real possibility that we see some chop or consolidation today. We might not. I said the same thing yesterday and we caught a huge trade. But it's 100% a possibility that we see slower action today because we've seen nothing but enormous move up the last few days. So just remember that. Proceed with caution, manage your risk always, and you'll be good. Trading doesn't have to be extremely stressful. It doesn't have to be dampening on your mood. It doesn't have to be dampening on your self-esteem. You just manage your risk. Do those things, you'll find trading becomes much more enjoyable. And I don't think that's talked about enough. If we had higher volume on this candle, I actually wouldn't hate trying this retest to pre-market low and trying longs with stops below like the 15-minute low. Or the 15-minute low. It wouldn't be my favorite setup, but with how the trend's been, I wouldn't hate it. We didn't get the higher volume on this 5-minute candle here, so I'm not going to participate. Let's see here. What should I put my money into? Yourself. S&Me 500. Invest in yourself, baby boy. You are tempting us to participate. What does that even mean? I'm actually quite literally doing the opposite. The S&P 500. You like that? So you should invest in too. Invest in yourself, King. Invest in yourself, baby. What does that even mean? Gonna start a new crypto coin and call it pay down. Please do not do that. Please do not do that. You know how much money I turned down over the last 5 years in promoting coins and offshore brokers? A lot. Like a lot. A lot. Like
Stop
7
filled.
figures a lot. The integrity will never be compromised. Ever. Those offshore brokers are sketchy. Like I'm not going to name any names, but I'm sure you guys have brains and 2 eyeballs. If you see any influencers that are posting enormous gains on brokers like Hero FX, and those brokers, they can literally give you a live account that looks live, and you can be like, "Oh, hey, look, it's real money," but it's not actually real money. Or they can edit the numbers themselves internally. So if you see anyone that's like, "I'm making 100, 200K a day on this unregulated broker," you might want to think twice about that. No one in particular I'm talking about. You guys can be your judge of if the shoe fits. You guys can be the judge if the shoe fits. Yeah, because those offshore brokers just book your trades, and they make money when you lose. Because they're offshore, they're not here. That's how they operate. Oh, I've had motion with Apex. I had 50K payout motion. So my biggest payout ever was with Apex Trader Funding. A moment of pure motion. You should fight amateur. I mean, I used to, for fun, go to boxing, and my mom had me in Taekwondo forever as a kid, but I don't want to fight amateur box. I just have no need for that. I don't want to hurt my brain. Yeah, right. With my knee, especially not right now. All right, let's see if we get a setup here, guys. We might get a 5-minute closure here that, with how strong this market's been, it's tough to say. But typically speaking, I'd like to see us close down here with higher volume. We got the volume already. If we closed it, let's say we close this candle right here. You guys can see the volume here, see price. I'd want to see us move back up into this pre-market low and 15-minute low, short here. What's that be? 360 to 3. You could arguably even put stops at like this point of control, 393. 30 points of risk from this 360, and then look for shorts down. That's what I would.
Sorry.
Sorry, are you saying something, Grizzly?
Yeah, I need to speak this for like 5 seconds here. Team Bull, if you see my chart, we're going to close this candle. There's 2 add areas I'm going to take. I'm going to go half size to 26,345. I'll add more pre-market low.
For shorts.
Yes, for shorts.
Nice, me too.
364. My stop will be at 383. Or
Yep.
384, yeah. That's the game plan. Everyone understands, right?
I don't understand. Can you explain it all again from the start?
Yeah. Asia low, first entry, pre-market low. I'll add the rest of my position if we get there. Pretty weak here. It made us sell straight off, now give us a pullback.
All right, let's see if we can pop back up to like that 340. Anyone here use Trade Syncer? No, I don't. I don't like the trade copying softwares. I always prefer people just choose one prop at a time and copy trade through a trade of 8. I am going to watch for this pullback for shorts up here to like 340-ish to 360 with stops at 3, like above this candle high. So at 383, 384. It's been a great week already. So I do worry about us having an aggressive snap up with how strong price has been, but I will be trying this if we move up here. More than likely we'll try it, I should say. I'll let you guys know when I enter. I'm looking for like let's just say 350 area for shorts. $340 to $360. $340 to $360 area for shorts. Oh, big stretch. I've been touched 325, nowhere near where I wanted to see. Have I ever considered automating my strategy? Not really. Bots suck right now. AI is not great at trading, at least on the retail side.
8 o'clock hour.
This is not what I wanted to see in taking this reject up here. I don't like when, like, if we're going to take a retest, I like to see us move up, retest, and down. I don't like us climbing with candle closes on the way back up. It's still technically valid. 350-ish area, 360. But you just got to be prepared to start your day red if we break above these levels. Let's see if they give us this move up. Right now, I don't love that 5-minute close. We've had a killer week so far. We do things a little differently on this side trading with DOD. It's a little more boring in terms of actual trading, but it gets you paid long term. I think everyone here would rather have a boring trading day and make money than have fun with it outside versus rip off a million trades than be broke as heck afterwards. That ain't fun for nobody. Like your trading itself should be very boring. You can have fun, like we hop on together and doesn't have to be lonely. Like we hang out and kick it and talk about how Jokic is top 3 players of all time, talk about DOD, talk about all the fun things, but talk about how Curry is nowhere near the top 10. But we also are very focused on strategic, systematic trading. We get the best of both worlds here. Dun, dun. All the goats. I'm still gonna watch this reject area, but I don't love the factors leading up to it. If we end up seeing an aggressive push up or I don't get an entry or don't like what I see, the next potential setup I'll watch for is a close above this pre-market high, above point control VWAP with volume confirmation to push up higher. This market might be a little trickier today. Could be a little bit trickier with being at all-time highs and the enormous move we saw, but we've had an incredible 3 days. We'll look for an A+ setup. If we get it, we'll manage our risk. And if we win, we'll have a great risk reward multiple. And if we lose, we'll keep it managed. That's the only way this works long term. All right.
All right, Team Bull. You all know my plan.
Yep. You still looking for those shorts up there in the 340s?
345, then I'll add it. I'm going to add light 345, and I'll add the rest of my position at 364 stops.
Yeah, I'll still watch for it on 352. Just don't love the lead up. But I'll still watch it around 352. 352, not 352.
Like 350 TWO?
Yeah, 350,
350,
comma, TOO.
Yeah. Don't you do it. We got Asia low, fair value gap midline, 15-minute range low at 345. That's not confluence.
Well, that's not Asia low. Asia low. Let's go back up here.
Go up there and touch it. Quit messing with me. Started my position. I'm in. Added light. I had more at 364. If it hits my stop, oh well. I really like this setup. You've got a small account. You don't want to take it here. Wait on pre-market low. For less risk.
Tried the shorts up there, Grizzly?
Yeah, I'm in, man. I'm
Yeah,
gonna add to it at 364.
I thought about adding up there. I was going to wait a little higher. We might not get it. It's funny, we went and touched 352.
This is your orb setup, man.
Yeah. I don't like what we had leading up to it. And I don't know.
You're afraid to short this market.
I am.
Could hit my stop here, but I'm in. I'm riding this out. Have my hard stop in.
Trying a small piece of shorts up here, above 350. I tried it up there, guys. I entered 352 is what I got filled at.
Order filled.
Can add at 360. Stops
Order
must
submitted.
be at 383. So this could stop me immediately. My hard stops are at 383.
I got my second ad, everyone. Second ad. We get lowered out of this.
Yep.
Be massive. Let's rip straight down.
I think another small piece up there too. My average is 54.50. So 55. So on the side of 80, 55, 65, 75, 83. So 28 points of risk. the bright side, we're trying to push. At least we know we have the right idea.
Looking for a 30-point trim on this, everyone. My average is right at 51. I didn't get exactly a pre-market high ad. I was looking away. So around 320. You all can trim where you see fit, okay?
I like at least 1-to-1 out of this too. On the bright side, what I was saying is that we saw the wick up, so at least we know that even if it does stop out, it was the right idea.
Yeah.
Always tried to step in.
I would take this setup any day of the week.
I have stops at 83.75.
No, you do it, MNQ.
I'm only about half size risk. I'm a little spooked still to short this strong market, but the setup looks good. It's just been so strong, man.
Go straight down. You don't need to go up anymore.
Still don't love. I'm saying I like it. Looks good from a system standpoint, but this market is so damn strong.
So are we. Oh, come on. Looks like it just wants to rip up, get her stop, push up the control.
These buyers like the freaking damn Hulk. But I like the setup. I don't, with how the market conditions have been, it's not ideal, but the setup itself with aggressive 5-minute candle, pre-market low, 15-minute low, clear defined risk, like that all looks great. So if I didn't take it and then we saw a nice move to low day, I would slap myself. But I have hard stops in, guys. If we go above 83.75 on MNQ, I'll be out. Also hanging out up here. I don't like that we're not seeing any follow through with this reject. Typically with downside setups, you want to see us come test and then like just fail. Right now we're making higher low, potential higher low. So
order filled.
This gets my stop at 83.75. I'll look for I'm still open for a long entry if we close above like say 400. It's about to get it. It's about to get my stop. Not there yet. It's thinking about it. But if we get a strong 5-minute candle above like 400, which is also above VWAP and point of control, I'm still in this trade. But if we get a strong 5-minute candle above these levels, I'll look for a retest for a long entry. Got my stop. Sure it got yours. Oh my gosh. I swear if we just wick up like that and die. No way. No way. No way
Order
it's going to do
submitted.
some bullshit. Wake up there and go down. No way. No way it's going to wake up. At least now give us a close above like 400. If it literally wicks up there to 939, I guess I wouldn't have said it even at 393. If it wicks up there then dies, I have no words. It wicked like 20. I was gonna say there's no way I would have stayed in that regardless. No way. Ain't no way. Say it ain't so. No way. At least go up now. Like if you're gonna do that, at least go up now. Don't do some BS where you wick up on a 1 minute, on a 1 second wick and then move down. Don't you dare. Don't you dare even think about it. Don't you dare do it. Don't do it. Make it yours too, Grizzly. Interesting. MNQ wicked high. NQ only wicked. I mean, NQ still got it, but it only wicked up like 4 extra points. That's super odd. That's freaking annoying. I'm tempted to try it again with half size risk again. I just don't trust this market. The candle actually doesn't look half bad. Aggressive wick up. Higher volume on that wick too. What's the high here? 87 on NQ. MNQ, that candle goes up to like
Order submitted.
400. Yeah, I have 5
Order
select fund
filled.
accounts, 2 of which are above the buffer and get daily payouts. Yep.
Order canceled.
Ain't no way. Ain't no way, bro. No. I'm still waiting. I don't hate the setup of trying to re-enter, but I just don't trust this market fully to the downside right now. They did me dirty with that wick up. Absolutely dirty on that wick up there. Like that was majorly foul. Extremely foul. Which, I mean, it just happens. It's annoying, but at least the bias was right. That's good. I would have taken that trade 100 out of 100 times. Oh boy. We'd be just back down your break even.
Just out and doing this.
I know. Isn't that foul?
Dude, literally.
Super foul. And NQ was like really just wicked there. Wicked and then died.
MNQ wicked up more, you see it?
Yeah, I know. It's weird. MNQ wicked up to like almost 400. It's very odd. It's very, very odd. We'll see how this candle closes.
Shorts was all I've seen here. I mean, it was a legit setup. It just pushed up a few points to get us.
It did me so dirty, Gene. How was Asia yesterday? Slow or what? Dude, look at this, bro. This was my price target. My first one.
This is dirty.
That was foul.
I know it doesn't work like this, but I swear I'm going to quit saying my stop loss out loud. It's like it just grabs it and just rips.
It's all right.
Order
We'll
filled.
avenge it. That does happen sometimes. It's like, one of those times where you have your stop set, it barely wakes out and moves. It is what it is. It is what it is. Somehow I didn't get stopped. Well, I'm happy you didn't. as long as you followed your plan. If you follow your plan and you make money, it's a win. If you don't follow your plan, you make money, that's still a loss because you won't make money long term deviating from the plan. Well, the bias was right. The idea was correct. Just had some BS with that wick.
One thing I could have done differently there was wait on the 5-minute close above pre-market high to stop. That would invalidate the trend, but
yeah, but that could
the
get
short-term trend down the lower time frame.
Wow, unreal. I honestly would have taken that re-entry too after this candle here, but we question is, do we try it one more time? Volume looks okay. I don't fully trust this market to have continuation to the downside with how strong we've been, but it looks all right. I'm going to wait for retest. Following the system, following the plan. It sucks getting wicked out and having that be the case, but it's DOD, guys. Happens sometimes, is what it is.
I'm tempted to get back in shorts, but
No, me too. I'm just waiting for a potential pop up. I don't trust it fully. I really don't. Like usually I'd look for a move to like 350, 360. I don't think it's a bad idea. If I do end up taking another short entry up here, it's going to be less risk. I'm going to have another half-size trade. So the live is currently down 620. It's supposed to be like 580, but there's a little slippage on it. So probably put on another like $600 worth of risk. Those. Dun-dun-dun-dun-dun-dun. It does look sketchy. Like I want to try it. It just low key looks sketchy. Looks sketchy. And I want to catch the big move. Like I want to catch a nice solid 1.5 2R trade. I also don't fully believe in, at this moment, with how prices are in a massive downtrend today. Not at this very second. It could happen. Man, that did me so dirty. Did us so dirty, chat. So dirty. You know, bigger stop. The people say that, and then get kicked. Even a bigger stop on that trade wouldn't have done anything. You could always say, "Oh, I got stopped out. I need a bigger stop." Well, the bigger you make your stop, the more points you have to make it make sense. You know, it's a slippery slope to keep increasing your stop sizes. There is sometimes where I'll have a little bigger stop, but it shows it worked. The bias was right again. We just got wicked out. Happens sometimes. What defines you and really determines whether you'll be profitable long term is your ability to not blow yourself up after losing a trade. You know? This is what happens when you say Steph Curry isn't the GOAT. It's stupid. That's the universe punishing you. How dare you disrespect my GOAT, Steph Curry? All right. That was funny. I'll give it to you. That was good. Is it a good time to short? I mean, I was watching for a short up here. I just don't fully believe in it. If you perfect your entries, you can have 3 to 5 points. No, you're not trading NQ with 3-point stops, bro. I'm sorry. You're just not. Not profitably over time. Maybe with ES. 3 points of stop, a 3-point stop loss in NQ every time. You know what, universe? I'm sorry. Steph Curry is the GOAT. Definitely belongs in top 5. Take that as you will, trading universe. I will die on the hill before I ever say that Braun is better than Jokic. I'll lose for 2 years straight before I ever say that. Ever. Stay impatient, guys. 0 for 1 on the day. Got to update this from 1 to 1 to 0 to 1. 0 to 1. There we go. What the hell? Dude, MNQ is wicking way more than NQ today. It's super odd. Look at that candle on MNQ versus NQ. These wicks on MNQ have been vicious today. It's insane. Like 2 times now we've wicked.
What is it? The deal with MNQ and these wicks?
I don't know. It's vicious, bro.
They're massive. NQ has nothing on them.
I know. I'm looking at my chart side to side and I'm like, am I tripping?
Order filled.
Gene, you want to come say hi quick? I got to piss like a
Order
racehorse. I'll be
submitted.
right back. I'm sure the market will do something great for you. Market's moving weird. Literally
Ranging.
Good dog. Oh, Mark was on the BS for me, man. Nazda broke my heart. She broke my heart. Gene got moved live with FFF. He's been killing it. He killed his pro account, killed his payouts. How much have you taken from FFF, Gene? Like 23,000 from FFF. I love him milking them. if we see an aggressive 5-minute candle above 400, that'd be my clue. I wanted to watch for a retest and then go long. That is what I would like to watch to go long, everybody. I'm here. Can you not hear me? Check. What? Yep, I'm watching for at this point, and unless we saw some aggressive breakdown or failure, I'd like to see a strong volume close. Here's best case scenario. Okay, best case scenario is we have an aggressive candle up, rising volume. That looks way wrong, and then we pull back down, retrace, and continue up. Damn, I drew that a little too well. That's actually a little concerning right there. I said, hold on. Oh gosh. Yeah, I'm a safety pin. Like Jaden, you've been practicing that? That's a neat curve. I was trying to draw candlestick. Turned out a little different than we thought it was going to. We want to see a nice trend setting candle up. Oh gosh. He's got a disease or something. Nice candle up, pull back, rip. That's what we want to see. That's what we want to see, isn't it nice? I don't know about dropping. Like it could, but we'll see. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, that first trade wicked me out after, and then went to price target, which wouldn't have been a huge price target. It would have been Just over a 1 hour trade, but oh well. But it's just the price I pay. Like that, Gene? It's the bright side. I still have not taken a single trade on my Lucid accounts. I have 5 Lucid Pro 50K funded accounts. Now, this is interesting. Typically speaking, in a downtrend, I actually would like to see this. I'd like to see us have a touch VWAP right above pre-market high, or pre-market low, which I don't love. But I'd like to see a stronger volume candidate for reversal than move down. So I'm just going to wait. Yeah, I haven't taken a single trade of my Lucids yet. They've just been sitting there waiting for me. What is the best brokerage
Order filled.
for trading personal funds? Trade-Avate's good. Edge Pro, Dorman's good. TOS is good if you have money. Like, I mean, if you're going to trade futures on TOS, you got to have bankroll. I wouldn't recommend it for futures. Options is great. I'm not shorting up here. We could make a move down. I just not quite there. If you were to go short here, just keep stops above like 400 probably. If you have money, like for real, have you seen their margin requirements at TOS or Schwab? It's insane. It's like actually insane. Yep, they do pay out. They paid out like 16 mil so far.
Order filled.
Most props are not monthly payment now. Most props are just one-time purchases now. They last 30 days.
Order filled. Order canceled.
Dun, dun. All right, let's see. We might get it here. We got like 10 more seconds on this candle. Come on, push us up. Volume push. Volume push. It closed right at VWAP. Interesting. 60, 90. If we had higher volume on this, I'd almost say I'm going to look for a pullback into this candle in long. I really wish we would have closed above 400. If we would have closed this at 400, I almost certainly would have waited for this slight pullback, went long, and then put my stops below like 360. Hmm. We might get higher volume. If something you got to remember too is that you're going to have to always deal with all-time high trading. The market is literally plumbed to go up. And over time, it just will. That's how it was created. We'll go through down periods. We'll go through periods of retracement, but over time, you will continually see the market move up. So even if you like trading downside, like I love trading downside. I love trading the shorts. I love the puts. But I understand that I gotta keep my upside game on tap too. Just happens. Just got to. All right, let's see. We got a minute and a half left on this candle, everybody. What's up, bro? We close this candle like this, I'll watch for the pullback down to 400 area, stops below like probably 360. 30 to 40 points of risk, and I'll target that high a day. That will more than likely be my last trade of the day.
Connection lost.
All right, come on. Got 30 more seconds on this candle. I'm going to look for the retrace if we close it strong. All right. And watch it for the pullback for longs. So likely will be my last trade if I take it, everybody. If I lose, I'll be over 2 and done for the day. I might hang out for a little bit, but I'll more than likely be done trading. I'm going to go ahead and start a small piece of longs, everybody, with room to add. 405. If you want to wait, I would rather see like 390, but I did
Order
start
filled.
a small piece of longs that I'm going to try to take to high a day. I will add one more time if we get down to like 385 with stops below 360. And if I lose this trade, I'll be done for the day. I did start my position down there. I want to see us move to high a day. That's all I see. If I lose, I'm never wearing my glasses when I trade again. You want less risk? Like, let's say you want less risk on the trade. You could technically put your stops at like 384.
Order submitted.
And then your 1-to-1 is only at up here at like 25. Maybe not a bad idea. It's up to you. I would rather see the bigger move because I want to add more. But let's just put it for this first position here. Let's just do that. We can add if need be. I did try the longs. 405. Just a small piece though. I have room to add. This is where I want to be. This is the area I
Stop
like
filled.
for the first ad. Right in here. I will add one more time at 390-ish. And it will stop below 360. This needs to be at 360. There we go. If I lose this trade, I will be done for the day. There we go. Yep, I'm following the trend. My hard stops are set. I'd like to see him move up. If it doesn't work out, I blame my glasses. I can see too well. Maybe I trade better when I'm blind. We choose supersonic. First trade ended up working out. I just get wicked out on this BS wick right here. This is my second to last trade. We're above VWAP. I actually like this VWAP bounce, like 390, a little more than I like that 405, but tried it light just in case. We're above VWAP, above pre-market high, above point of control. If we go below this like 360, I will stop out and I'll probably stay in the live for another like 20, 30 minutes. But I'll be done trading for the day. I won't be at my max loss limit, but I'll be done for the day, more than likely. I'd rather see like to see a big move out of this. These buyers, yeah, Jay will be done for the day. Get it? J is DUN. Not the greatest candle we've ever seen. Not the worst, but not ideal. It's not the best. It's also not the worst. I do have hard stops in, everybody. So if we got some war candle or news candle or something, my risk is always managed. Dun, 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 dun. See, what is that? What the heck is that? Didn't even get my ad. Didn't even get the ad on that. Look at that MNQ wick. I'm still in at 360. What are these candles? I did add a tiny bit more. No more ads now.
Doing
Either
that.
going to get stopped out at 360 or it goes. I did add down there, guys.
Order submitted.
I did add on that move down. I'm going to put my stops. They're still at 60. I thought about putting them at like 66. Got the ad down there. Let's see if we can move up now. Still in this trade, guys. If you want less risk on NASDAQ, you can put your stop right below VWAP. I still have mine down at 360. I'd still like to see us move. But with these crazy wicks and action and all-time highs, I understand.
What is wrong with MNQ?
I don't know. Something's wrong with it, bro. It's like having issues. It forgot to nudge or something.
I wouldn't take another MNQ to trade today, everyone. This NQ.
Something's wrong with it, bro. Something's wrong with it. It's going crazy. I want to see NASDAQ move up. It's on some games. Touch VWAP. If we get a 5-minute close below VWAP, I'll stop early for a loss, guys. As long as we're above it. What does he want? I'm staying in. I'm following my plan. My hard stops are set. I'm not even going to think about trimming anything until we're above, like with that second ad. We have little less risk now. But I'd still want to see at least up to like 20 or 30. Candle looks good. So even if this doesn't end up working out, we've had 2 times where we've tried to bounce. We just need to get some strength. I still do have my stops at 60 because I just don't. I want to let this trade play out. Being said, I would understand moving them up to like 87. I can understand that. Come on. Come on. Come on. Push us above 20. I'm going to move my stops up to 87, guys, or 80. Move to 80. If you guys want to trim up here at 20 with that second ad down there, it's at 1-to-1 almost. I want to see above 20. I'd like to see up to 30, as a matter of fact. I did take off some risk. Everybody, I moved my stops up.
Order canceled.
Well, I'm following my original plan. I want to go 30. And with that, we'll see where I want to put my risk at. I want to see us go up above 20 and shoot right to 30. You can manage your trade how you see fit. If you're worried, stressed, whatever, it's depending on your entry. If you added that VWAP area, 25, 30 points, just 405, it's only up about 10, 15 points right now. I want to see higher. I want to see this explode up. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. I'm going to take off a few contracts up here to be safe, guys. We're on 25. Taking off a few contracts, everybody. Come on. I want to see above 30. There we go. First price targets here, guys. If you guys got that second ad, we're cooking right now, guys. From the first ad at 30 points. From the second ad, we're at like 40 points. Let's get high a day. Come on. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Push us up. Push us up, baby. Come on. Come on. Come on. We want high a day out of this. Come on, baby. I'm going to take off a little more. I'm trimming off more, guys. Come on. I want to see this move to high a day and keep moving on up. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Push us up. We want 55 out of this. We want 55 out of this. Come on. $40 to 50 points. Come on. We want more. Let's go. Where are the haters at now? Where are the haters at now? Tiny baby, like 20-point loss. We're currently sitting up 40, 50 points depending on your entry. Come on. Come on. Stops are at 400, guys. Damn, I said Curry was number one and I hit a banger. We are back to green on the day, baby. Come on. I want more of this. I want high a day. I want high a day and pre-market high out of this, guys. My final price target on this is up here at pre-market high. I'm not going to let this trade go red. Let's go. This technically is a 2-bar right here, too. I'd like to see us. Oh, if we can touch this midpoint and move up. Oh, boy. Oh, boy. We're going high a day. Come on. Come on, baby. Let's go. Small losses and big wins, guys. Come on. Let's hold this. Let's keep pushing. Come on. Let's go, baby. Come on. Let's go, baby. Want high a day. And I've trailed my stops up. I'm not letting this go red. I want high a day out of this, guys. More partials will be off at high a day. At 455. Come on. Push it. Come on. All right. Here's the deal. We got Benny, the sophisticated bull, in the house. And he's saying, push this damn market up. Benny, the sophisticated bull. But you know, push it up. You got to push it up. Let's go. My name is Benny, the interesting bull. And I want to see us push this market up. No more partials to high a day. We want pre-market high out of this, baby. Let's go. Come on. Let me put on that song. Don't call it a comeback. I've been here for years. Grizzly, you take any of that with me? I hope so. I hope so. It's all price action, baby. That's all this is. You manage your risk. You stay calm. We hit a banger after. Come on. We want high day out of this, guys. No fear. No fear. High day's almost
Order
here.
filled.
All right, guys. More parcels off. Price target achieved. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Final price target on this is pre-market high. Final price target's up here. Final price target's up here. Let's go.
Call some a winning trade, Jenna.
A banger, bro.
Nice.
60 points.
Where'd you have your stop at? Was you trading MNQ?
Yup. I had my stop at 60 originally. I moved it up. Final price target. Let's go. You know what? I'm gonna trail this up. And if you guys want to take some more off here, trade can be over here. This is my final price target. I want to see if this can run a little more, though. I want to see if we can run up to like 500. 60, 70 points. Let's go. Jake the Snake. That's what I'm talking about, baby. All right. After that first small loser, we need some positive energy. We need some positive energy, folks. Positive energy and positive energy only. If you guys took that trade with me, if you're still holding that trade, how much y'all make? Talk to me. Don't call it a comeback. Almost 100 points. Almost 100 points, baby. How we cooking? Big wins and small losses. How much y'all make on that trade? 1,000, 1091, 651, 585, 600, 889, 1,500, 1061. Small loss and big wins. 400. Thanks, J-Don. Pay Don. 183, 500. Save my XFA. 400, 380, 470, 500. Went from red to green. Let's go. Come on. Almost 100 points, baby. We are cooking. Cooking. Woo! That's what I wanted to see. That is exactly what I wanted to see, guys. Small losses and big wins. You guys saw it. You guys saw the patience. You guys saw how we stayed composed after taking that first small loss. And when you choose patience, when you choose DOD, you get rewarded for it. When you choose DOD, we're almost at 100 points, guys. We're getting there. Almost at 100 points. Let's go, baby. If you guys are struggling with confidence, conviction, position sizing, whatever it may be, make sure you guys sign up for the free live training. I put something together. I put something awesome together for you guys on Saturday. It's 8 p.m. Eastern time. I put something great for you guys together. It's at 8 p.m. Eastern time on Saturday.
Order canceled.
Yeah, almost 100 points. Build
Order submitted.
confidence. You guys haven't yet, Team Bowl. Make sure you guys register for the free live training. I just put the link. Gotta run. Thanks for helping me with DOD. Appreciate you. Will always and forever do my best. All right, hit a banger. You guys know what that means. If you're in the Discord, post in the post your gains tag. Post your gains tab. Tag me. I'll pick one of y'all to win an Apex code right now before I get off stream in 15 minutes. Tag me and post your gains. Caden said, to be honest, I think I found my forever home. Seems to be the only strategy I've used that works nearly every time. I appreciate you, Caden. Welcome to the fam. Doesn't work every time, but we manage our risk every time. We manage our risk. Like today's a prime example. First trade, lost. Stayed patient. Waited. Got a banger. You have mad haters, though. Of course they're mad. Their life sucks. We pray for them. We pray for the haters. If you're a grown man hating on another man online, you need help. We're Team Jesus over here. I pray for those haters. I could feel it. Come on. Still in this trade, guys. Only have baby runners, but still, I want to see this push. I want to see 500. Don't.
What are you doing? Can you hear me? Can you hear me?
Almost ruined my payout chance. Well, you got to manage your risk,
Can
fam.
you hear me?
Am I shorting here? Absolutely not.
Are your hearing aids connected now? No. Okay. Oh, okay. All right. Well, what's going on? Oh, good. All right. Well, all right. I'm just wrapping up trading for the morning, so. Oh, you're kidding. We're supposed to get snow. Yeah, they said that there was going to be snow in the valley. So crazy. So pretty wild. But anyway, so how did your evening go? Yeah. Okay, good. Sullivan's Crossing. Okay. Never heard of it. Oh, yes. What's it was it like a Western? What is it? Oh yeah. In Nova. Okay. It's in modern times. Of course. Of course. Yeah. Oh yeah. That's good. Oh yeah. There's lots of garbage out there. So crazy. Oh, do you? Okay. Sounds good. Well, that ought to keep you busy for a while. Are the episodes an hour or half an hour? Okay. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Oh shoot, that's only going to take you 10 days then. Shoot.
Yeah, sorry,
Crazy.
I gotta take this
Well, good
screenshot real
deal.
quick.
Just markets pulled back a little bit this morning, but then have rocketed higher.
That's
Tesla
crazy.
sold off, but it's still at 388 and looks like it could go higher
we go.
today. We'll see. But yeah, a little bit. But after two
That was an
incredible,
awesome trade, guys.
up days
Took
in the
patience, but
market.
great trade.
Oh yeah.
Awesome
Oh yeah,
trade.
Broadcom is actually up again today. It's at 400. Marvel's doing exactly what we want.
Heat-seeking
We want it to
missile
just kind of
of a
hang
trade.
out for the next few weeks. Let that time value decay. So Tesla is looking strong. EOS is up another 2.5% today. So that's good. So yeah, a lot of good things. Circle's about to just, it sold off a
baby
little
runners.
bit and it's about to break
Just trade
even.
micros
So
today.
market's strong. It's
That
crazy.
first trade was some BS. That should have worked
So
too.
we'll see. Bitcoin down just a little. It sold off down about 1,500 this morning, and now it's battled all the way back.
How many points do I use for stop loss? It just
just
depends
down
on the
about
trade.
550.
It really just depends on the trade.
So Solana's up on the day. That's nice.
Well, I guess I'm gonna take my red day. Call it.
Wow.
Yeah.
Grizzly, you didn't take the trade with me?
240,
I
300,
thought you trusted me, bro.
1,000.
Oh,
I'm more
you
greedy
say?
than you.
I said you didn't take that trade with me. I thought you trusted me, bro.
No, I was gonna take it, man, but
Yeah.
literally my
Yep.
internet went off.
So
by the time I got it on, it had confirmed the
Well,
longs.
good
Then it
deal.
had logged me out of my trade event.
So
I just
yeah,
missed
some
it
good things
completely.
happening. So
Oh man. Well, it's all right. One small loss.
see where
That
we
first
go.
setup was good too.
It was a nice setup, man.
Yeah. Well, glad you got your taxes off. You can feel good now that you've paid all obligation on the big transaction, and that's
Big stretch.
I'd like to catch another trade. I just don't see anything I would take here. I mean, longs possibly, but we've pushed up so much.
Like
yeah.
15-minute high retest. Stops below like 430. Doesn't look horrible. Higher volume on that candle too.
Or the 250. You liked that number? Oh, well, we'll get it back. We'll get it back. I don't know if you saw James's post yesterday. It was somewhat interesting because it was talked about STRC
Another
and made the
heat-seeking missile of a
observation
trade.
that
How awesome.
and here's the deal. It's interesting. Their ex-dividend date is the
I don't know what's
14th.
happening to me.
So as long as you
Winning on
own
long
the
trades and
shares
losing
on the
on short.
14th, you can get the
That
get the
short was just
dividend,
dirty, though.
right?
I know.
So
that was
you could
BS.
so
dirty.
theoretically, you could buy STRC on say the
The rates
13th,
on MNQ have
or
me hesitant to
14th.
trade it anymore.
Sell it on the
That's ridiculous.
16th, and still get your 11% yield. So you could only hold it 2 days, but how it should work, and you do see this, is that after it pays the dividend,
Coaching the
after the
Lincoln East
ex-dividend
baseball
date,
team
which
this
like
year
we
swing
just
through.
had a
That's
couple days
awesome.
ago, you'll notice that it falls. The price falls. And theoretically, it should fall by
Lincoln
the exact
East.
amount
My high
of the
school, man.
dividend that it
Old
pays.
school.
And then
Thanks
it'll
so
build
much.
back up
Pass
to
my Lucid
100.
Pro
But
eval. Let's
I,
go.
I think what that is telling me is if you
Congratulations.
ever
Cool,
want
Bull.
to
Got
get
here,
back
Grizzly.
in,
Yeah,
if you ever
I'm
want to
getting
get
out of here.
more,
See you, bro.
and you're going to keep it in long term, you should always buy it right after the dividend date, because then it would be below. But I don't know. We'll watch that. It was just
Damn, we're
kind of
making
an
price target.
interesting thing. So yeah, it just goes in as cash. It
Thank you. Went from negative 1,400 to now plus 700. That's awesome. That means you made 2,100.
You're right. Yeah, it should.
All
It
losses, big
should. I mean,
wins.
I can,
It's all relative.
I go in there and look at it, and yeah,
Hey, and
it
I
just
have a
shows as a
word,
cash
a very
deposit
important
basically
word
every
for
month.
all of you that potentially took the first trade, lost money, and then missed the second trade. It's okay.
Yeah, it would reduce the margin
because
balance.
both were
Yes,
A plus setups,
that's
and both
true.
are going to come again. Both are A plus setups, and both are repeatable over time. So if you mismanaged, you took a first loss and didn't take a second one, and now you have FOMO, it's okay. More good setups are going to come. If you managed your risk and you stuck to your plan and you chose DOD, you won. So don't forget that.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so you're making it up and more, plus using their money basically. So, and at some point, we can get rid of that. But I don't know. It just like for instance, it might be time. We've sold the covered calls on what's not Circle, on Marvel, right? You have 4 contracts. Maybe it's doubled basically. Maybe it's time to let one of those get called away or sell it, and reduce your margin down. So, but let's watch it for the next 4 weeks and see.
Got about 6 more minutes.
Marvel is at 133 right now.
Maybe 10 more minutes. I still got to do the giveaways.
Yeah, but still, it's 13,000 that you reduce your margin. Yeah. So, okay. Sounds good. Oh yeah, it's got quite a bit of work right now. Got a lot of cases that are struggling to settle, and so we're trying to get it done. But so oh, really, I had no idea. We're gonna go tonight. Yeah, we're planning to go. Vardui's off work today, and so uh, no, to the VIP night is tonight, and then the like the regular grand opening or whatever you want to call it is tomorrow. Or I mean Saturday, the 18th. Maybe. Yeah, I don't know. Wow. Nice. Yeah. Cool. All right. Okay. You bet. It's good to talk to you. See you later, Dad. Bye-bye.
Here comes Mr. Gene. Oh, dog. That sure was a heat-seeking missile, huh? I don't know. What is this? Oh, it's a globe. It's a globe. It was. It goes with some piece that I had. Oh, I broke it. All right, you broke it. Oh, smells weird over here.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Oh man. Try and close it down and then log back in. Oh man.
Order filled.
Mm-hmm. I won't watch it honestly. Let me know when we're down to the last 4 teams.
Order filled.
Hmm. What the market's gonna keep doing?
Connection lost.
Don't if it will be posted. I'm not sure when. I've never heard of them asking you to reset an account. Pretty cool. Just like my
Connection lost. Connection lost.
Some connection problems here.
do 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 do. Mm, 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 mm. Mm. Mm, 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 mm. Mm, mm, mm. I'm not sure. I don't know if it'll be posted on here.
Hey guys, 9:30. I'm going to get off. I need to be more disciplined about that. You can get sucked into looking at these charts all day long, but we caught this move from this retrace and all the way up. Actually entered there and then entered a second
I don't know where
contract.
Jalen went.
This was
He just left me here.
this was on just 2 micros, so
I like it.
not bad. Good day. We'll talk to you soon.
All right, so what? Oh, I thought he was coming back. He's not. Guess I'm stuck here.
My display wasn't on.